Hi, Beth here from Abby's Attics Creation, and today we're going to be going over how to do a photo on a slate coaster that has been sanded, painted white, and then black on the F2. These are the results you can achieve. Remember, we do share all of our settings, which can be found in our featured section in all of our groups. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any future videos coming out. And we hope to see you in our groups. Okay, let's get to it. Doing an image with an outline as well, and some settings on how to get it onto a slate coaster. As you can see, I already have my slate coaster in there. I brought the image in already. You guys should know how to do that. If not, leave a comment and we can make a video on how to do that, but I'm pretty sure it's already been taught and you should know how to do it. So without further ado, we are going to edit this. So we have it selected. We're going to click edit. Over here, it's going to bring up a bunch of different things. If you haven't removed your background, you can click on the remove background option, which would be the AI cutout. You can manually do this, or you can have AI do it, which costs like 6 credits, I think. But you can manually do these. Any of the AI features you can manually do. But we're going to be going to adjustments today. We are going to make it a grayscale, even though it already is. I like to always click it because I do forget sometimes. So I try to always click it. I am going to increase this sharpness up to about, let's see, about 20. I'm going to increase the contrast as well. And that looks good. And the most important part is to make sure to invert it when you are working on anything black or dark colors. You want to make sure that you invert that image, otherwise it's going to engrave like a negative. So you want it to look like a negative before you engrave that. And we are just going to click OK there. I wanted a line to go around it to kind of, break up and give you a defined line of where the image starts and ends. Click it. Click the square with the dots going around it. That's your offset. You can play around with this until you get it to where you like it. If you were to like just a little bit over, you can do that. You can do just the outside and it won't do this in the middle here. I think I'm going to do that. And you can play with this however much you like. So I'm going to do a 0 offset just so it goes just around us completely. And I'm going to confirm on that. And as you can see, it's going to give us its own separate vector file right here. So now we have to set those, and we're going to do the infrared light. We are going to do a power of 70, speed of 600, and only one pass. If you want to set your layers to go in order of the layers, you can do the compound vector first, or you can do the image. You just slide them up and it will go in order. I'm going to do the image first in my case, and then I'll do the outline after. We are going to frame this, and I am going to do the whole outline of us. Now we're over at the F2. As you can see, it's doing the outline of us, and that looks good to me where it is. This is a sanded coaster, painted white and then black. Now that we're happy with the framing, we can stop that, and we will send it over to be engraved. As you can see here, this is only going to take 3 minutes and 48 seconds approximately. We'll hit start, and that'll send it right on over. Now that it's sent over, we're just going to hit start on our laser, and it'll start engraving. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something today. Remember, we do have those 2 Facebook groups that I will link down below. I hope you guys all learned something today. We do have those setting sheets that we share in our featured section. So definitely follow the groups so you can get help with those and have a starting point to start with your machine.